In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Instagram story, no music results found. So if you want to add a story to your Instagram profile, but you are not able to find that music, what you need to do is first open it up and let's just search for whatever. Now, if it's not coming up, like no results found, what you can do is make sure that the Instagram is updated to the latest version, because that way maybe that song was added in the new patch. The next thing you can do is, if you go back to Instagram and go to your profile, click on top right, click on settings and privacy, what you can do is tap on help and then report a problem, shake your phone and report a problem, and then say, hey, I wanted to use this music in my story, but it was not found. Can you let me know why is that the issue? And one more way you can do it, if you go to settings, if you go to general, iPhone storage, and then let's just locate Instagram. And once you find Instagram, you basically want to click on it, then click on offload app, reload Instagram, or delete the app and reinstall it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.